Shake it around in the water here because I want it to be clean. And just kind of clean it up a bit. And when you do this, do it even better. Really, really clean it. But
yeah, you'll have time to.
we're not going to take the time for that. Tune it on for antlers and everything. Just going to pop this in. And, you know, it would actually just stay on its own. But I am going to add, and I like that when you look down, you would see the white. You know, and it's amazing. With just a little bit of mechanics, it actually doesn't need any branches or anything. Like it just stays. And so, how pretty to have these going on the table. You could have the other tea lights in between with lights, and just be so gentle and green, pretty.
And yet, when you think about it, this now, this is not the right thing for here. This is so this is a white sand. Which is
A little bit of.
yeah. A little bit of glam there.
Yeah, that's wrong now.
Yeah, now this
That's
is
just wrong.
that's just wrong. Because this is it's more sophisticated than the other.
And this
piece.
container's got a sheen to it, and it's glossy.
Can you guys?
Sorry. Is that white sand what you'd use in an aquarium?
It could be. It's just a
decorator
crafter.
white sand.
Where do you find that?
Well, you can get it at. We don't carry it anymore, but Michael's.
Because it costs so much to ship it across the country. These big
It's
bags.
just ridiculous.
We pick it up from
We
somewhere
get a
like
package
Michael's.
this big full of sand, and we paid, $30 shipping on it. So it's like, okay, well, we'll go to Michael's and buy it.
They probably
They might
do.
have
They
it,
probably
yeah.
do. Okay, Cindy. Now.
I just was. I see deer and antler, and there's this whole thing. That's the fashion this year.
It's a woodland,
And foxes and
woodland animals, natural.
all the things making you crazy on your farm. We're celebrating.
Yeah, it's a bit.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, yeah.
Well,
It's a bit like that, right?
Yeah.
as we ordered things with deer on them, we felt
But
like
I live on the farm. But so I see it. But I see it a lot. I see it
Yeah.
everywhere. So
Yeah.
this year is the sort of the fashion, right?
It's everywhere. Every
Yeah.
magazine you pick up.
last spring as we were ordering for Christmas, it felt odd ordering deer motifs because, this was the height of when we were starting to battle them again. It's like, what are we thinking?
Yeah.
We don't want
I don't want deer.
So there are
But-
themes. Like each year, there's sort of.
Generally speaking, now I think that woodland theme will carry through next year and probably the year after, because the real natural, the bark
Yeah.
kind of stuff we've added onto that collection for about 4 years now.
Oh wow.
So, but I mean, that's just, it has to fit your lifestyle and your interior design and your aesthetic and all of that. It's not mandatory. It's,
Yeah. Yeah.
There is no rule.
So this, you can have them a little bit taller if your paperweight started taller, but this is how this, as your paperweight gets taller and it moves a bit, just tuck that in there and it's gonna help. No ropes, no tying up
No,
your paperweight.
no,
That
no
is
tying,
bondage and
yeah.
we don't want that.
Okay.
Okay?
What a great gift. I mean, this is your hostess gift. You get.
Yes, Jill, I hate to digress, but these droop over on me all the time.
That's where you put the branches up.
Okay,
I hate to
hold on.
digress.
I will take your side and help you through that.
Okay,
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
no, if you've got them well watered and if you've got them by a window, they're gonna move a little bit. And we're saying too, as they get taller, don't be afraid to snip a couple pieces off. If there's a big floppy piece, just
Oh,
take
you
that
cut it
off.
off. Yeah, cut it off, put it in a vase.
Okay.
Yeah. They last for 2 to 3 weeks as a cut flower. Yeah. Even as a cut.
Yeah.
As a cut?
Yeah.
So you can see all the different heights of the bulbs in here coming up. The tallest ones you would cut.
Smell it.
So you can just
So
continue to
out
enjoy
of
that.
one pot of paperweights, you get a an arrangement for yourself, and you get a gift for your neighbor who looked after the dog yesterday.
Make up a bunch, put them in the garage, and don't even worry about it till you need them.